Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your daily goal using the Impulse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on your profile on the bottom of the page on the right and just click on edit goal, and here you can choose and set a daily goal for yourself, which can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 20 minutes. So let's just set for 10 minutes, and after that just click on the save button on the bottom of the page and your goal is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.